So today we'll be discussing how to stop doing favours and actually get paid what you are worth. Welcome, and if you've never heard of me before, I'm Elsie Whiteman, known as the Cleaning Coach, and I've run a successful cleaning company for 12 years, and I now help cleaning business owners do the same. So if you are currently doing loads of free favours for your customers and you actually find it very hard to say no, because while you're there, your customer goes, oh, while you're here, can you just quickly, yeah, sure. Oh, by the way, while you're here, can you just, yeah, sure. If you're in that position and you find it very hard to say no, remember to watch this video all the way through, where we will be discussing how to stop doing favors, how to get over the I can't say no, and how to earn more income. So the thing with favors is the fact that we are too afraid to say no. We don't value ourselves. And if you're at that stage where you still do loads of favors because you're so afraid the customer's not going to like you, or you're so afraid they're going to go, well, we don't need you anymore. And that's why people say no. They don't add value to what they actually do. Doing cleaning is one of the hardest things out there. So whether you're on your own or you have staff doing it for you, you have to remember being strict and saying no is part of growth, becoming a successful cleaning business owner. It's not nice to say no. It's not nice to ask for money. It's not very nice to say it's going to cost you, because you're so afraid of the customer's reaction. However, what you need to bear in mind, first of all, is your bank account's reaction to the favors you're doing. So from now on, you'll have your bank account as your little friend on the side. And when the customer asks you, oh, can you just remember, what will my bank account say? My bank account will say, here's our upsell list. This is how much we'll charge for that. But sure, we can do that next week. But this is how much it will cost. So always charge extra. You have to remember your bank account. It's okay for the customer. The problem is with doing loads of favors is once you do it once, they will expect it over and over and over again. And do your research. How many companies out there offer favors? None. Only cleaning business owners tend to, because they don't value themselves enough yet. But it's time for you to understand your value, and what you're offering is actually a job that a lot of people hate doing, which is why you've got customers, because they hate cleaning. They want you to do it. So if I called an electrician to my house because I had a lighting issue, so I said, oh, while you're here, can you quickly rewire my bathroom? What will he say to me? Go away very politely. Actually, no, he'd probably be rude. Yeah, I'll give you a quote for that. No problem. Right? So it's time, our cleaning business owners, we stand up for ourselves. Stop doing favors, because your bank account is angry with you because you're doing loads of free stuff. And your customers are taking advantage of you because they know you're soft. Be strong. Be confident. Have an upsell list ready every single time. And don't be afraid to tell them, yes, sure. However, it's going to cost you this much more. And we can only slot it in. We can't just spend or add extra time, because if you have 2 members of staff going out to 3 jobs a day, and then not every one of those customers asks you, oh, by the way, can you just quickly do the inside of the fridge? And that one says, oh, by the way, you're adding time to your employees' time schedule, so that makes them late. They're not going to be very happy with you because they're still getting paid the same money. You're damaging your business brand, because your business brand then stands for, oh, favors. And that customer will tell another customer of yours or friends of theirs, oh, look, well, I just asked them to do my fridge quickly. Oh, they did it. They're so kind. They're taking advantage of you. So the other friend then is going to expect exactly the same. Build a brand that's strong, that's professional, that stands out, and get the money that you deserve, because you will have so much more money in your bank account if you just charge for stuff and not do it for free. Because I'll be honest with you, no customer really appreciates it. They're just taking advantage of you. So stop letting people take advantage of you and charge what you're worth. And if you want to increase your prices, stop doing any favors and have more money in your bank account, I have got a free Raise Your Prices webinar. Post the link down below. You can sign up straight away and get immediate access. How to raise your prices to be a Dyson brand. I would love for you to join me. If you want to see more of me and over 500 other cleaning business owners just like you, please remember to join my free Facebook group. It's called the Cleaning Business Community on Facebook. I will also add the link down below. You can join, build a cleaning business that you finally can be proud of. Remember to watch last week's video, how to create a pricing structure for your business to have more time and freedom. If you agree that you need a pricing structure in your business, not to chase customers away that could potentially be really good customers, comment hashtag cleaning boss down below. If you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember to press that bell so you can get a notification when my next video comes out.